Hello, welcome to another full-length instructional recipe for the Faceless Chef UK. Tonight's recipe is another favourite in the Faceless household, my take on a traditional Filipino classic, Chicken Adobo. The simplest chicken adobo recipe you will ever need to follow. The important part in this is the chicken. It must be thighs, as the thighs are higher in fat content and we all know what fat means, more flavour. Enjoy the recipe and ensure you carefully watch to the end of the video to catch all ingredients and instructions. We start by taking 1 kilogram of boneless and skinless chicken thighs. I have used skin on and bone in before, so either or is fine. Although some would say without the skin is slightly healthier, not that we care with a delicious sweet and savoury meal like this. To the chicken we add 4 to 5 bay leaves, 80 millilitres each of light soy sauce and rice wine vinegar, 4 cloves of minced or finely chopped garlic, and a generous pinch of MSG, which as Uncle Roger would say, king of flavour. We let this marinade for anything from 2 to 12 hours or 24 if you're feeling brave. The next day is the simplest part. We remove our chicken thighs from the marinade, reserving the marinade mixture, and after heating 1 tablespoon of oil, we brown the chicken both sides. Once browned, we remove the chicken thighs from the pan and then add 1 diced onion and 3 more cloves of minced garlic. We slowly cook this, ensuring they soak up all those fat and juices from the chicken. If you notice a bit of browning on the base of the pan, don't be worried, add a drop of water and stir. This will deglaze and add further flavour to the dish. Once the onions and garlic are cooked through, we add 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns and 2 to 3, depending on how sweet you like it, tablespoons of dark brown sugar. Give this a stir through before adding our chicken and the reserved marinade, stirring everything together and thoroughly to allow the chicken to soak up all those wonderful flavours. We then coat our chicken in around 400 ml of water, 60 ml of dark soy sauce and simmer for 25 minutes. The reason we want to do this uncovered is we want that delicious liquid mixture to reduce and become an almost thick, sticky, soy-based sauce that sticks to the chicken and adds heaps of delicious flavour. A little tip here, if after 25 minutes the sauce is still quite liquid, remove the chicken and reduce at high heat until it's thickened, then throw the chicken back in the pan before thoroughly coating in the delicious sweet, sticky and savoury sauce. Remove from the pan and serve with a bowl of boiled rice. To note, the rice was rinsed thoroughly before being cooked, 1 cup of rice to 1.25 cups of water. Simmered until the liquid has all but evaporated, then removed from heat, covered and steamed for at least 10 minutes, leading to a wonderfully fluffy rice. For added flavour, you may wish to add a drizzle of chilli oil before topping the chicken adobo and garnishing with spring onion greens. And there you have it, our delicious and simplest chicken adobo. Perfect for anyone that does not want to spend time staring over a hob. Thank you very much for watching. If on Facebook, please feel free to comment, share, save or follow the page. Remember, my videos do appear first on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe over there. If you are on YouTube, please leave a comment, hit the subscribe button and join us on our journey to 1,000 subscribers. Also, make sure to hit the notification button to see more weekly videos. Stay healthy and see you next episode. Goodbye.